Welcome guys, today I have for you a Chevalier FSG 3A1224. This machine is wired for 440 volts. We'll just get right into it. This machine can be ran manually or automatically with our 3 hand wheels right here. This is for our longitudinal movement. This is going to be for our saddle. I just got to push in the hand wheel. And then you have our up and down as well, with a fine feed dial right here. Go ahead and just put that into a small feed. So you can also rapid this machine up and down with our buttons right here, along with the saddle as well. So with that being said, let's get started. Turn on our hydraulics. And then we can turn on our wheel. That's going to start the cycle again. Currently I do have the hub off right here, and then this is going to be the locking nut for it. And then we could also start our coolant tank just by doing all of that. The coolant tank does come with paper feed over there, and then our hydraulic tank is separate off to the side over here. So we could go ahead and just demonstrate our jog. Excuse me one second. There you go. So that's going to be the jog for the saddle. And then we also have our jog for up and down. Jog this down just a little bit of the ways because we're a little high right now. There is going to be a cutoff limit switch on the top end, which will essentially turn the machine off. So we go up and then down. So right now we're going to get into a traverse cycle right now. Go ahead, back this off a little bit. And then we're essentially ready to go. We could open up our throttle control for different speeds. Don't forget to start our cycle. The hand wheel pulled out. You can see that our table is going to feed in and out. This is going to be our feed settings right over here. This is going to be how much our Y feeds down. You can change it, I believe, all the way up to 10. You also have how many passes. This is going to be for your plunge cycle, and then this right here is going to be for our spark out. A variable magnetic chuck controller right here. See, it's holding down our parts pretty well. And then lastly, you have our park left and right. We'll go ahead, just take that out of the way. So this machine is going to feed down till 0, and then it will spark out, and then it will park itself completely. After that, we'll get right into our plunge. You got your manual dresser up top, right here with that little lever, and then you have your feed down dial right here. Speed this up just a little. Yep. I just fed it up to 0 just to speed things up. As you can see with our status light right here, telling us that we are now in our spark out mode. These 2 other lights will indicate power to the machine and your wheel being on. So this is going to pass one time, and as you can see, it just parks itself and you're ready to go. So then we're going to move on to our plunge. This one's going to be a quick cycle. ahead and then just like before, we can go ahead and start our cycle with our throttle off. Open it up, and as you can see, we are down feeding. So this is going to essentially do the same thing. Once it hits 0, it'll park to the right hand side, or left rather. This is a really nice machine. Original paint job. If you'd like to see this under power at our Harrison location, feel free to reach out to us. Couple more passes, as this is a very fine machine. Now we're sparking out, and we should be just about done. And just like that, we got our punch cycle. So again, this is going to be the Chevalier FSG 3A1224, wired for 575 volts. Thank you very much.